Okay, we're gonna play some more Subway Surfers. This is part 2. I'm gonna be taking turns with my friend, cause why not?
Subway Surfers! I love Subway Surfers.
It's our dream game.
Subway Surfers is better than Fortnite.
I mean, it actually is. Fortnite's turning really bad. If you checked new Fortnite updates, there's like a crappy tac shotgun. Like, when people wear like a recon specialist or like a renegade raider, it's like so weird.
Hold on, let me... Oh yeah! Oh yeah, that looks like good hair.
Yeah, he's picking out a wig.
Oh yeah!
Alright, my friend's gonna play.
Alright, I got the hair I'm gonna have. I'm so good at the game. Okay. I'm gonna win.
There's no winning to this game.
Yeah, there is.
No, there's not.
If you get on the top run, you win. I won on my phone.
I've won like 17 times. Maybe even more than that.
I'm gonna beat your top run.
He dies.
Why is it so slow?
Because,
Oh, probably used to mine.
yeah.
Wait, let me check the missions. Oh, beat your own high score.
Ooh.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! That's some good hair. I like lemonade.
Okay. Cool.
Oh, I have a horrible headache.
Subway Surfers can hear.
Subway Surfers.
This is how I get views, guys. Don't tell anybody.
Yeah, you just have your friend play Subway Surfers on your YouTube channel.
Here's a little secret what YouTubers do. So, they make one video, and then they change their clothes, make another video, and just publish it on some other day so it looks like,
Yeah, some YouTubers do that,
yeah.
but we don't.
I've never done it. I mean, it's kind of smart.
Well, I mean, like, a lot of people, when they're going on, like, trips, they'll record a bunch of videos and, like, edit them and stuff.
Yeah.
And post them while they're there. I mean, of course. Oh, hey, I'm about to give you a high score. And ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
Yeah, guys, I'm totally playing right now.
Yeah, it's not his friend Sheena Estevez.
Doo-doo-doo-doo.
Screw it.
You could have just used the key.
Uh-oh. Looks like someone's still nervous about buying a new house.
Is it that obvious?
Oh, this is
Maybe you'd worry less if you got Geico to help with your homeowner's insurance.
I don't
Hey,
think
Steve?
they can. Actually, no, they can.
See how much you could save on homeowner's insurance.
Geico. 15 minutes could save you 15% or more on car insurance.
Totally not sponsored by Geico. Oh,
Fudge.
that was such a waste of time.
Yeah.
Yay! Mr. Clown Man is holding a
I got you a multiplier.
multiplier.
Yeah, now it's X7.
Yay! Okay, I'm gonna play Subway Surfers.
Good hair. Oh, yeah.
Excuse me. Alright.
What did you just do?
What?
Did you just burp?
Guys, can we even buy this?
No.
Crap. I want to get this fat dude. I don't want this or this. I want this. You. Awesome.
Sheen?
Sheen Estevez, go subscribe. Big shout out. Okay. Subway Surfers really needs to fix their game. I'm just gonna use one of those bad boys. Now it's 11. Oh, guys, like in the next 1 second, or else you're gonna poop your pants right when you're on the toilet and forget to pull down your pants. So you guys better like the video.
I got hair. I'm a horse.
You're a horse?
Yeah, I'm a horse.
I'm Debug's bunny. I'm a bunny.
Chester, did you got all popcorn?
Oh, it restarts.
I'm a horse.
He's a horse. I am a horse.
Horsey!
Sounded like he said the W word in that video, but he didn't.
The W word? What the heck is that? Ah, I know what it is. It's WHAT.
Alright. We'll take turns watching a bunch of ads on my Subway Suffers.
Alright, guys, we're about to end this, so everybody subscribe to Sheen Estevez, and always remember, stay Jimmy Neutron.